Rhonda Byrne's The Secret centers on the law of attraction, a concept that proposes positive thinking can lead to transformative changes in one's life. We will offer some actionable strategies derived from the book's core principles to be applied in 2024. Visualize your goals. Spend a few minutes each day vividly imagining your desired outcomes as if they have already happened. This helps align your thoughts with your goals. Practice gratitude. Regularly express gratitude for what you have. This shifts your focus to abundance and can attract more positive experiences. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your goals and beliefs. Repeating these affirmations helps to embed positive thinking into your subconscious mind. Focus on what you want, not what you don't want. Direct your thoughts and energy towards your goals and what you want to achieve, rather than dwelling on negative outcomes or what you want to avoid. Act as if. Behave as if you have already achieved your goals. This mindset can help you to naturally take actions that align with your desired outcomes. Maintain a positive attitude. Cultivate a positive outlook on life, as negativity can repel the positive energies and opportunities you wish to attract. Create a vision board. Compile images and words that represent your goals and desires. Place this board somewhere you'll see it daily to keep your focus on your aspirations. Surround yourself with positivity. Engage with people, media, and environments that uplift and inspire you. This can help maintain a positive mindset. Use the power of intention. Set clear and specific intentions for what you want to manifest in your life. Intentions help direct your energy and actions towards achieving your goals. Feel the emotions of success. Tap into the emotions associated with achieving your goals. Feeling joy, excitement, and satisfaction can enhance the manifestation process. Let go of doubt. Release any doubts or fears about achieving your goals. Trust in the process and believe that what you desire is already on its way. Take inspired action. While positive thinking is crucial, also take actionable steps towards your goals. Look for opportunities that align with your intentions and act on them. Practice self-love and self-care. Treat yourself with kindness and respect. A strong sense of self-worth can amplify your ability to attract positive experiences. Be persistent. Stay committed to your goals, even when faced with challenges. Persistence can help overcome obstacles and reinforce your intentions. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. This reinforces positive thinking and motivates continued efforts. Meditate regularly. Incorporate meditation into your routine to calm your mind and focus your thoughts on your goals. Meditation can enhance clarity and alignment with your desires. Set clear goals. Define specific, measurable, and achievable goals. Clear goals help focus your thoughts and energy, making it easier to manifest them. Practice forgiveness. Let go of past grievances and negative emotions. Forgiveness can clear mental blocks and make room for positive changes. Be open to receiving. Embrace opportunities and rewards with an open mind. Often, manifestations come in unexpected ways, so be receptive to them. Use positive language. Frame your statements and self-talk in positive terms. This reinforces a positive mindset and supports the attraction of desirable outcomes. Seek inspiration. Read books, watch videos, and engage with content that inspires and motivates you. Inspiration can energize and guide your manifestation efforts. Embrace the present moment. Focus on the present and appreciate what you have now. Being present can enhance your overall mindset and attract positive energy. Trust your intuition. Listen to your inner guidance and follow your instincts. Your intuition can offer valuable insights and direct you toward your goals. Practice patience. Understand that manifestation takes time. Stay patient and persistent, knowing that the process is unfolding as it should. Develop a morning routine. Start each day with positive practices, such as affirmations, gratitude, or visualization. A strong morning routine can set a positive tone for the day. Visualize success before sleep. Spend a few moments before bedtime visualizing your goals as achieved. This practice can help reinforce your intentions and manifest your desires. Adopt an attitude of abundance. Shift from a mindset of scarcity to one of abundance. Believing there is plenty of success and opportunities available can attract more of it into your life. Practice active listening. Engage in conversations with an open and positive mindset. Active listening can enhance your relationships and open up new opportunities. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can harness the power of the law of attraction to shape a more fulfilling and successful life. Let these principles guide you on your journey toward positive transformation.